Tuko de dofka ala flahia tu kem tulu kwa mamata moi matuta ki mai ke dofka halwanga mai he fai fa ploa ki lata moi tau frafia fianga pule framotu ko hande ko hoko mai ki fusi masini a hong ful mahive mahina ke tapa ke tau wosini mahani do tol ke hoko mai ki he fale fono ke lata ye mai fusi masini rono mai fo kem tol ki to nei hako ko he hoko mai la ya e falwa tau lilifu mai he tau ko mole Olo tone te kita ke fonte fono. Si pia foki ni me fala tau ke pule mo tau i ke pule hoko mai do elo tol tahi ki anga ia ke tau nei ke la te me do ka holoang ha tol he fusi masini. And a very big hello to you and welcome to the flag racing day for Niue. The day has just started. It's running a little bit late. And as you can see, prior to this, just before some of the members, the previous members of Assembly and their spouses, and some of the older people are behind. The program has just managed to start, but it is very hot. We can see a lot of people are actually here to celebrate the flag racing day today. So we hope to bring you some of the speeches. It's not really long today. Apparently there's only a few speeches. And as you all also know that the Premier is not here this year, but we have the arrival here of all the honourable ministers, also awaiting the honourable acting Premier Dongia Sione Holo and his spouse. And of course the flag racing is hosted by the Speaker of the House, and that is Atapana Sekimoto, and he's here with his wife Laselingi Sekimoto. I hope that you enjoy some of the coverage from the flag racing day for 2010.
Whakaue ke he mawhala mo I tau munui na langa hea tua kua whakawhita mai ke hata tūra te mumui as mau ai tau tūre ahu nei. Tōla he whia. Whakaue whauki kia mutore tau e ke pūre ni ahu mua kua ta mai ai hata tūra motu he waha. Si hoko mai ai ke he mga ahu nei. Si pia whuki ke he whonre ke pūre he mga ahu nei, ke whonre ke pūre ke hongu fuma tōru aki. Mahuinga e pūre whakamotu he tau nei. Nā kai ni ha koe tūtau tongo fuma ono. Kai pia foki koe pure whakamotu whakahikua nei. He whono e ke pure, he mga honai, whono e ke pure ke honga fuma tōru aki. Koe tau ka hau, o atua tau tōru maniwe ke he vili anga lai. He use he ha. Tō kautū alau tōru nei, mo e liliu mai ki loto he whono e ke pure. Pamena ia ne mahuinga e ahonai ha tau tōru. Ua whakawhia mai whakamanatu e tau tōru e pure whakamotu ke tōnu fumahano aki. Si koe pure whakamotu ke whakahiku aki anai he whono e ke pure ke honga furuma tōru aki. Si e wata tau tōru ke whiwhiri e whono e ke pure ke honga furuma whaaki he tau ka hau. Amana ki whakalahi ke kautu e tau amana ki anga ha tau tōru. Si pihia ni ke he tau aho ne ngāruanga ia. Ni we whakai ke amonuina e aho. Fia whoki tau tōru ke he pure whakamotu he tau nei, mo e tūtau ke tōnu fumānu aki. Tūtanga loa, e munuina hea tua ki lunga e tau tōru osi, koe nei ia.